Assalamu alaikum, my dear students and listeners. Today I am going to take English second paper classes. Welcome to my classes. I am Jahangir Hossain, Assistant Teacher, Muradpur High School, Muradpur Samnesa High School. Today I will teach about the transformation of sentences. First say, a small level senses into a big level, and a little girl senses into a lady. Now let us pause and gaze a video. The sea is so dangerous. How dangerous the sea is. So, our today's topic is transformation of sentence, part 1, assertive to exclamatory. Learning outcome. After completing this lesson, we will be able to identify assertive sentence, identify exclamatory sentence and its classifications, sentences for assertive to exclamatory sentences. When you will be understand these lessons, you will be able to sense the assertive to exclamatory and vice versa. Example, assertive, the sun shone very hotly. The when we will sense assertive to exclamatory at that time, at first how or what will add First, next adjective. How hotly the sun shone. And next sentence, assertive. The rose is a very beautiful flower. What a beautiful flower the rose is. You know that here there is vowel, here is article A. For this reason, it starts with what, and there is no any article. For this reason, it starts with how. In this way, we can change the assertive to exclamatory, and you can see that the word, adjective, noun, and the subject and verb, and exclamatory side. Assertive. Tom and Jerry is a very nice cartoon. What a nice cartoon Tom and Jerry is. Let us enjoy an exciting show again. We enjoyed a very exciting show, and you have also enjoyed this exciting show. What an exciting show we enjoyed. You know that sentence and article, and for the reason it starts with what, and what an exciting show. Here subject and verb and exclamatory sign. In this way, we can change assertive sentence to exclamatory sentence. Assertive to exclamatory sentence, rules of exclamatory sentence. If there is a oblique and in assertive sentences, we have to write what while doing exclamatory sentence. Number two, if there is no a or an in the assertive sentences, we have to write how while doing exclamatory sentences. Very great will be erased. Subject and verb will be at the end of the sentences. So you can see and understand that with article an, it starts with what, and without article an, it starts with how. And in this way, and last of all, the subject and verb and the exclamatory sign will be. So in this way, we can change make assertive to exclamatory. The tiger is a ferocious animal. what a ferocious animal the tiger is. There is an article A. For this reason, it starts with what and what a ferocious adjective and subject and verb and exclamatory sign. Assertive sentence. A tiger is a ferocious animal. It is assertive sentence. And what a ferocious animal the tiger is, it is exclamatory sentences. A structure of assertive sentences: subject plus verb plus a or an plus adjective plus noun. Very, so, to, great, may, have or not after verb. It may have or not. Subject plus verb plus adjective. Very, so, to, great, may have or not after verb. It is a very interesting story. It is an interesting story. According to the structure, you can see the subject, verb, article, adverb, adjective, and noun. In this way, it is an interesting story: subject, verb, article, adjective, and noun. Subject. Here you can see it is very interesting. It is interesting. Here, this sentence, there is very and verb, subject, verb, adverb, adjective, and here it is subject, verb, and adjective. You can see that there may be have, very, or not. You know that as you are the SSC candidate and the government has already shortened your syllabus, they have omitted simple complex compound and emphasis the other transformation. So you should give emphasis about this transformation, especially assertive to exclamatory, assertive to imperative, assertive to interrogative, affirmative to negative, and positive to comparative, comparative to superlative, and vice versa. In this way, you can complete the question number 6 and 10 marks it carries. So you have to emphasis as the simple complex compound as omitted by the Ministry of Education. The structure of exclamatory sentences: what plus a or an, adjective plus subject plus verb plus exclamatory sign. Adverb very, so, to, great will be omitted. The word will change into but transfer into exclamatory sentence at that time. The adverb very, so, to, great will be omitted. Subject plus verb adjective. Adverb very, so, to, great will be omitted. Assertive sentence with a or an begins with what? An assertive without a or an begins with how. So I hope that it will be clear when it will complete and follow attentively. Example: what an interesting story it is. Everything there remain according to the structure. How interesting it is. Next, I wish I had the wings of a bird. You know that it is unreal. Had I the wings of a bird, had I the wings of a bird, it is exclamatory sentence and it was the assertive sentences. I wish I were a king. If I were a king, you can see the structure of these kinds of sentences, especially assertive to exclamatory. I wish, if I had, when I wish or I had. Exclamatory will says if or had plus subject plus exclamatory plus sign of exclamation. In this way, we can say these kinds of sentences. I wish I could be a child again. It is also unreal. Would that I could be a child again. It is exclamatory sentence. You can see again. I wish I could be a child again. Here I wish and subject would be and child again. Full stop. It is assertive sentence. And would that I could be a child again, an exclamatory sign. It is exclamatory sentences. I wish I were a bird. If I were a bird, I wish. When I will say into assertive to exclamatory sentences, at that time, I wish will say and it replace if or would that. And subject extension and exclamatory sign. You can see that I wish where in assertive sentences will have I wish, it will says and take place I wish, if or would that plus subject plus extension plus sign of exclamation. It is a matter of joy or pleasure that subject plus verb plus extension. It is a matter of sorrow, regret that plus subject plus verb plus extension. It is a matter of shame. It is a shameful that subject verb plus extension. You can see according to the structure, the example here it is a matter of joy or pleasure that subject plus verb plus extension. Hooray! Subject plus verb extension. Hooray! Our team has won the game. It is a matter of sorrow, regret that subject verb. Alas, I am undone. It is a matter of shame. It is a shameful that subject verb. Five, you are so bad. In this way, we can complete it. These kinds of sentence says according to the instruction, affirmative or assertive to exclamatory. Transform the sentences below into exclamatory sentence. The scenery is very beautiful. I am a great fool. It is a matter of sorrow that he is very helpless. Would that I were a king. It is a matter of surprise that we have won the Asia Cup. Here, all of them are assertive sentences. I have to say, I have to transfer it into exclamative sentence. You have already known that there are two kinds of sentences, that is conjunction and transformation. Now we are going to the transformation. So the word meaning, the sentence meaning will be same, but the structure will be same only. Now we can see the answer. The scenery is very beautiful. How beautiful the scenery is. There is no any article, so it starts with how, and adverb it has already omitted how plus adjective plus subject plus verb and sign of exclamation. I am a grateful. Here is a vowel. Here is the article, and so it starts with what? What a grateful I am. It is a matter of sorrow that he is very helpless. And according to the structure, it is a matter of sorrow. That it is a matter of sorrow that it says, and the ls will be placed of it instead of it is a matter of sorrow that take place alas. And how helpless he is. Alas, how helpless he is. Would that I were a king. You know that. Would that it is also assertive sentence. I wish, I would that, would that. It is assertive sentence, and I have to change into exclamatory. So if I start the place of would that, next subject, here subject is, and always I were. It is the separate rules of English grammar. If I were a king, according to the subject, we should place was, but according to the rule of English grammar, and especially the exclamatory sentences, where will be always, it may after any subject. If I were a king, both of them are the same meaning, but structure has been changed only. It is a matter of surprise that we have won the Asia Cup. It is also joy, surprise and joy. And for this clauses, we may use hooray. And alas, hooray, it is also exclamatory, so exclamatory sign will after these kinds of words. The hooray, we have won the Asia Cup. In this way, we can change into assertive sentence to exclamatory sentence. Group activities. Change the sentences into exclamatory. There are 5 sentences, and you can see also symbolic the picture of Emperor Akbar, the Mughal Emperor. Akbar was a very powerful king of India, and all of the sentences are here assertive sentence. You should change into exclamatory sentence. Akbar was a very powerful king of India. The answer is, what a powerful king of India Akbar was, an exclamatory sign. Here, article A and very adverb. You know that adverb will omitted, and when assertive sentence bears article, At that time, it starts with what? So, what a powerful king of India Akbar was. Question number 2. He was very handsome. There is no any article, so it will start with how. How handsome he was. When there it is adverb, and you know that the adverb will be omitted, and there is no any article, so it starts with how, and after how, adjective will say the how handsome he was. Question number 3. There was an aristocrat throne for him. There is also an article and, so you know that it will start with what? What an aristocrat throne there was for him, or what an aristocratic throne for him there was. Both of them are correct. Next, number 4. It looked very gorgeous. Money here, gorgeous refers the aristocratic throne. It looked very gorgeous. The how gorgeous it looked. It is past tense, and in the same way it will be seen after subject. Next question. He was indeed a successful king. He ruled about 50 years the subcontinent as the emperor of Mughal imperialism. He was indeed a successful king. Here there is an article, so it will start with what? What and successful. What a successful king he was indeed, or what a successful king indeed he was. Both of them are correct. In this way, we can transformation of sentence, especially assertive to exclamatory sentences. Transformation assertive to exclamatory evaluation. It is useless to carry over split meal. I wish I could hear the music. The houses in the streets are very tall. Hooray! Our team has won the match. It is a great calamity. The train is traveling very fast. Old age is very painful. They are very frightened. Alas, I am undone. I have already discussed every kinds of rules to sayings, assertive to exclamatory, and I believe that now you would be able to do this sayings. In spite of this, I shall try to help saying the answer. It is useless to cry over split meal. How useless to cry over split meal it is. I wish I could hear the music. You can see here I wish, and it will say if I could hear the music. Number 3, the houses in the streets are very tall, and you can see that there is no any article. So, according to the structure, entire exclamatory sentence will start with how. How tall the houses in the streets are. How tall the houses in streets are. Today, our team has won the match. It is a matter of joy, or you can also write that we rejoice that our team has won the match. You can complete this sentence in this way also. See again, hooray, it is a matter of joy, or we rejoice that. As here mentions our team, so we can say we rejoice that. In this way, I can say the exclamatory sentences. We rejoice that, or it is a matter of joy that our team has won the match. It is a great calamity. What a calamity it is. The train is traveling very fast. How fast how fast traveling the train is. Old age is very painful. How painful the old age is. They are very frightened. How frightened they are. Alas, I am undone. It is a matter of sorrow that I am undone. In this way, you can change or transfer assertive to exclamatory sentences. Come to the homework activities. There are 10 sentences. You will try to complete these sentences according to the rule. I have discussed already every kinds of rules to change assertive to exclamatory, and as home task you will complete 10 sentences. Number one, the Padma is a very big river. It is so deep. The river contains a vast water. The water of the river is very useful for the people. It is beneficial for cultivation. The fishermen enjoy fishing in the river very cheerfully. The fish of this river is really tasty. I wish I had a boat. I wish I were a fisherman. I like the river very dearly. I hope that if you are attentive my classes, you will be able to complete these sentences, but you will be able to transfer the sentences into exclamatory sentence. And if you feel any difficulty to do that, you may communicate with us anyway. Thank you very much to participate my classes. May Allah bless you. Stay home and stay safe. Allah Hafiz.